That's right, Jennifer. It's kind of like a small army here in Western New York with all these utility trucks and their crews that are at rest right now. They're from as far away as Michigan and Louisiana. They are resting again at this point, but they've been busy. If you consider this could be their second go-round these past recent days, considering that National Grid had about 50,000 people without power earlier this week, and NYSEG had about 25,000 here in Western New York.
We have around 1,500 crew members ready to go in town.
Actually, some of them are reinforcements for crews who came in earlier with the Tuesday windstorm. NYSEG made similar crew assignments here and around the state.
We have folks in hotels, which was a little problematic the weekend of a Bills playoff game, right? But we made it happen. We brought in additional crews on top of the ones that already were in town to do the amazing work they did this past week.
The crews have just been finishing up with restoring individual lines in hard-to-access rural spots in Cattaraugus County. But there was another challenging issue beyond just down trees taking down lines.
We had to replace over 140 broken poles, and that number is probably, by the time we get done counting, it may even increase. When you think of a broken pole, somebody likened it, one of our executives likened it to a water main break, just one. So think of 140 of those that come down, and it takes hours to replace one.
Of course, those bucket crews cannot always go up in high winds. It's the on-scene supervisor's discretion, but
viewers can rest assured that if they see wind gusts or when they see wind speeds, that we're still out there trying to get the work done.
And one last point. Remember those frozen transformers like these back in December 2022 that cut off power in some Buffalo neighborhoods? We told you some louver weatherproofing was being added to prevent a repeat, and now
we're taking the additional step of covering those louvers with tarps to guarantee no snow. Not even a flake of snow will get into these.
And remember, with the use of home generators, if you do lose power, obviously proper ventilation, keep them outside. But also be aware that unless you have a transfer switch, you could have a problem with a backfeed that could affect those utility crews that are out there trying to connect your lines. So be very careful about that. Obviously, we've got all the information on our website at WGRZ.com about the utility companies and safe generator use. And remember, these folks are working very hard, so don't give them a hard time. On your side, somewhere in Amherst, I'm Ron Plants, Channel 2 News. Back to you, Scott.
All righty.